All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Solana family. Last day of the month, we're approaching, June, and it's absolutely insane how time is going. So let's talk about Solana itself. I know there's not a lot of excitement as far as the native token goes, so Solana itself, but there's a lot of stuff that's happening that a lot of people tend to forget. And remember, nothing goes straight up forever. There's going to be times where you do see these lags, a little bit of slow down, but you need to look at the bigger picture, and that is what I try to teach you guys. But let's take a look at what really is happening. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I've been making some of these updates over the past, I would say, 1 hour. I did a Pepe update as well as a Bonk update. And in the meantime, you did see BTC see a little bit of a bounce. And obviously, today's the last day of the month. You guys know what we've been discussing over the past, few days, how important it is in my books for the price of Bitcoin to close above $70,000. And I think that's still a possibility as we're going into Friday morning. But you're seeing a lot of coins turning into the green, and that is really good. We'll take that. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Solana. The price is currently sitting at $166.11, and I don't even need to look at the charts to know where that price is currently sitting. And as far as technical analysis go, I don't even need to look at the chart. I know exactly where Solana is currently sitting at, and we're currently sitting at the support line. That support line, the important support line. But obviously, when I pull out the charts, give you guys the visuals, everything will make sense. We're down about 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative. A market cap holding really strong at that $76.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $2.6 billion. So as far as the prices, into consideration, things are looking not as bad as a lot of people might think. But let's talk about some of the news, of course, and that is obviously a lot of people main focus. What exactly is going on? And shout out to Solana Flora as always. You can see this for yourself. So look at it. Solana DeFi. So Solana DeFi has surpassed $5 billion, and you guys know how important this is to me. So not did it just cross the $5 billion mark, almost $5.1 billion. And what does this tell us? This tells me that even though the native token might not be doing some crazy price movements like we have seen in the past, it's kind of retracing, after the Ethereum ETF news. But as far as the ecosystem is concerned, it's booming. Let's face it, it's booming, and total value locked continues to increase. A lot of people coming onto the Solana blockchain, a lot of people migrating from other chains, and we're going to see this continuation playing out as we go into the end of the year and, of course, into the future, in my opinion. $5.1 billion, we will definitely take that. Not only has this been, a great achievement, but it has also been a yearly high for the total value locked. So great stuff there. You can see this for yourself. Total visits on Jupiter Exchange website has surpassed $10 million according to SimilarWeb. Great. It ranks number 82 in the United States. So what is this telling us? Retail is getting back into crypto. Crypto is obviously one of the most conversations that are taking place revolving around this crypto space due to the ETF hype factor, due to the performances from these assets, and obviously that is bringing in a lot of attention. So that is obviously not a big surprise to me, but if it is a surprise to you, there you go. Solana continues to dominate all the chains in daily NFT blockchain users adoption. Dominance 38%, chain users 17,000, and last but not least, Solana-based Mutant Mon Solana flips Ethereum, Bored Ape NFT collections. What happened to Bored Ape? I forgot about Bored Ape. Let me know if in the comments down below what it's sitting at right now. Totally forgot that even existed. But anyhow, this is interesting. Let me know what this NFT is. I did not hear about this at all. So let me know in the comments down below what this is all about. But anyhow, let's continue to take a look at what's happening with the price. So dominance is picking up. If you did watch my other updates, you guys know about that. You guys know the significance of this. You guys know what kind of impact this can have. So that's that. As far as BTC is concerned, let me give it a refresh live. There we go. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at $68,095. So we're seeing a lot of shakiness happening with the price of Bitcoin, especially going into Friday morning. And let me explain why. Let me push into the hourly time frame so you really understand what's going on. Just a few minutes ago, believe it or not, we did see BTC climbing up to this $68,600. And of course, you guys know a lot of manipulation tends to occur in the crypto space. A lot of resistance obviously coming in the way if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame. Whales will do everything possible to shake out these massive amounts of longs and shorts. Whether you're longing or shorting, there's going to be massive amounts of liquidation regardless. But what I'm personally projecting is that tomorrow we will see a 70K Bitcoin, just because it's the last day of the month and whales understand how important that is. So basically how I'm trying to look at it is bulls versus bears, right? So let's see who comes at the top. Will the bulls win or will the bears win? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. Well, let's take a look at our good old friend Solana. So you can clearly see this for yourself. $166 is the price, and as a matter of fact, if you're looking at the price, there you go. There you have it, just exactly at that support line, and that's what I said at the beginning of the video. And this support line is literally memorized in my brain. And I honestly have all these support lines memorized for Solana. So when I even look at the price, I know exactly where the price of Solana is currently sitting at. If the price of Solana is above this certain support line, I know where it is. But anyhow, it's holding above that support. Amazing. That's exactly where you want to see Solana sitting at, and I've said this to you guys several times. If we're looking at the bigger picture right now, just so you guys can make sense out of this, so we're being supported by a significant support. So now let's switch to the hourly time frame to really understand what is going on as far as the hourly time frame goes. So take a look at the closer picture. I don't know why it got stuck, so let's give it a refresh live. There we are. I don't know why bonk chart pulled up. We need to go Sol USDT. There we are. Come on, Solana. And hourly time frame. There we are. So let's take a look at what's really happening. So you can see this for yourself. A lot of bouncing back and forth above that support line. You can see this for yourself. How many different times we have been supported by here. Of course, you can come out and say, we did see that wick below due to BTC as well. We know what happened with Bitcoin around that exact time. But pretty much, this gives you, once again, another confirmation, if it has not already done so, as to how important this support really is for the price of Sol. Obviously, a lot of resistance. You can clearly see this for yourself. Significant amount of resistance around this $173. We retested that just a few hours ago as well. And obviously that was a rejection, significant resistance, but pay very close attention to BTC. If Bitcoin is able to push back above $70,000, I'm expecting that we will claim above $174 really quick. That's my personal projection. So as far as the bigger picture is concerned, Sol is accumulating perfectly. If you are a Solana holder, you want to see Solana pulling back like this, a healthy correction, and actually consolidating. This only makes the support more stronger going into the next month, of course. So I'm really optimistic about Solana's future, as you guys know. I think next month we will see Sol hitting a new yearly high, and of course we know how much excitement that brings. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.